Hi there. In today's video, we will showcase the top 5 best reflective tapes you can buy this year. Let's get started. STARREY G323 Reflective Tape. The STARREY G323 reflective tape offers unparalleled safety with its high visibility and durable construction. With options ranging from 1 inch by 12 inches to 2 inches by 160 feet, this tape is perfect for any automotive application. Its industrial-strength adhesive ensures long-lasting stickiness, even in wet conditions. The tape's ultra-high reflectivity guarantees optimal visibility both day and night, enhancing vehicle safety. Comparable in quality to tapes found at major retailers, it promises reliability and longevity. Whether for trailers, vehicles, or signs, STARREY reflective tape provides the ultimate security solution. Plus, with a commitment to customer satisfaction, their support team is readily available to address any questions or concerns. The SWRT reflective tape. The SWRT reflective tape is engineered to enhance safety and visibility in industrial settings. Featuring a vibrant red and yellow color scheme, this tape offers high visibility in both day and night conditions. Its durable adhesive ensures long-lasting performance, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. The tape's honeycomb design and retroreflective material maximize light reflection, increasing visibility on various surfaces. Meeting ASTM standards, it has versatile applications, from marking hazardous areas to enhancing safety in warehouses, parking garages, and more. AISEY prioritizes safety and quality, providing a reliable solution for organizations and individuals seeking to improve workplace safety and visibility. BERTAPES reflective tape. The BERTAPES reflective tape sets a new standard for visibility and durability. Utilizing advanced prism reflection technology, this tape offers superior reflectivity compared to traditional options. Its weather and moisture-resistant design ensure reliable performance in harsh conditions, making it ideal for outdoor use. From transportation to construction, this tape has versatile applications, providing enhanced safety and visibility on trucks, trailers, barricades, and more. BERTAPES prioritizes customer satisfaction, offering prompt assistance and support to ensure a seamless experience. With its high visibility and weather-resistant properties, BERTAPES reflective tape is a trusted choice for organizations and individuals seeking premium safety solutions. AISEY DIY Crafts 5901 Reflective Tape. AISEY DIY Crafts 5901 reflective tape offers top-notch visibility and safety in outdoor settings. With a size of 2 inches wide by 30 feet long, this tape is designed for various applications, from trailers to clothing. AISEY has over a decade of expertise in producing reflective tape, ensuring high quality and durability. The tape features a honeycomb and prismatic pattern design, maximizing reflectivity and enhancing safety in low-light conditions. Its industrial-strength adhesive ensures it sticks securely to any surface, including metal, wood, plastic, and nylon. Ideal for trailers, agricultural equipment, vehicles, and more, this tape provides reliable visibility and safety. AISEY prioritizes customer satisfaction, offering a product that meets stringent quality standards and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. For a dependable safety solution with superior reflectivity, choose AISEY DIY Crafts 5901 Reflective Tape. SWRT Reflective Tape. The SWRT reflective tape is a high-visibility safety solution designed for outdoor use. Featuring a red and white design, this tape clearly indicates hazardous areas, promoting safety awareness. With strong adhesion, it sticks securely to various surfaces, including metal, wood, plastic, and nylon. Easy to apply and remove, this tape offers convenience and versatility in safety applications. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, it ensures long-lasting durability and visibility. DOT C2 approved, this tape meets strict safety standards, providing peace of mind in various settings. With a size of 2 inches by 30 feet, it offers ample coverage for multiple applications, from construction sites to warehouses. SWRT stands behind its product with an unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee, demonstrating confidence in its quality and effectiveness. For a reliable safety solution that meets DOT C2 standards and ensures maximum visibility, choose SWRT reflective tape. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the top 5 best reflective tapes. Thanks for watching.